Hello. In this video we are going to demonstrate how you can check and monitor the mobile data usage on this Google Pixel 6a smartphone. First of all, launch the Settings app. Next, enter the Network and Internet category. In here you want to tap on the SIMs, and once at the SIM card page, as you can see, you'll get this graph or this bar that will be displaying the actual cellular data usage, how much data has been used in general, or how many bytes or gigabytes of mobile data have been used in particular. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.